Okay, fellers and fellettes, first order of business today is you got to make sure you have a good cold snack, and you'll know that this cold snack is good because it's Minnesota Gold, so it's made in Minnesota and it's light, so it won't make you fat. It's a really good beer. Well, not really. It's more like some alcohol mixed with warm potato water and a splash of dog pee, something like that. But anyways, get your cold snack ready. Oh, first order of business, second order of business is to remove this fuel line. Tank's coming off. The exhaust is coming off, and hopefully the battery box slash air box is coming off. So that's the goal for tonight. Let's see how she goes. Let's get this fuel line off quick. And come on. Ooh, she's already loose. Look at that. No problemo. Let's get the tank off. Get my little handy dandy. That looks like a 10 up there. Probably is a 10. Yep, that's a 10. Pull out my G-handle. Can you see that? I don't even know. Yeah, maybe. Let's pull this off. I'm being really safe today, and I've just got it leaning up against my table saw. It's not going anywhere. Yeah, it probably will. It'll probably fall down on my leg, and I'll have to go to the ER. That's what I'm guessing. I gotta pull this side cover out. Oh, jump, pull up the adjustable. There we go. Try not to wreck my one good side cover. There we go. Okay. Should come off. Get ready. Oh, what was that? There, tank's off. Beautimous. Beautimous. Put that in a safe place. Let's put this bolt back in so I don't lose her. Okay, tank's off. Good. Pucks, they gonna come out? No, don't know. Let's focus on the exhaust. I soaked these down a couple days ago with some PB blaster. So I have no idea how tight they're gonna be. Usually my experience with exhaust is it's gonna be tricky at best. I've broken off a few studs from exhaust. We'll see. We will see. That ain't gonna work. I need something better. Let me find something. Oh, let's try an Allen wrench first. Maybe that's the road we gotta go down. Let's try the Allen wrench. Let me move you in here a little closer. Excuse my lighting. That right there. Alright. Thereabouts, I believe. I can't tell. That should be good. Let's see how tight this is. You can see I got the PB blaster all over there. Oh my, look at that. That wasn't even tight. How did that even stay on there? I have no idea. Wow. Ooh. Oh. Okay, let's try that. Well, if that one's loose, this one's probably loose too. Oh, geez. How in the heck did that stay on there? Is my question. Wow. That's not even rusted. I'm shocked. Yeah. Looks like it had some Loctite on it at one time. Interesting. Well, I have no idea. Well, look at it, just come right out. Okay. Let me pause this and see what we got going on here. I got the exhaust completely off, and came off real easy. The clamp on this end was super loose. Looks like she's been rubbing around on there. My crush gasket came out okay. Got a rag in there so no crap gets in there. Now I'm going to focus on this air box over here. Let me bring you over here. You know, I've been working pretty hard. I should probably crack my Minnesota Gold. Yeah. There you go. Oh, that tastes horrible. Yeah. We love bad beer around here. So, pull this off. I don't know. Let's see. Bolts back here. Let's just take them one at a time, I guess. I'm going to secure this up here. That ain't gonna work. Not sure. Get our gear wrenches out. Yeah, that's a good idea. So to remove the battery tray slash airbox, going to remove that bolt right there, I think. And over here, there's one here, there, right there. Got to take the harness off here, and then I believe that bolt there. And other than that, I'm not sure. I got to take the wire harness off. I did want to film this because when I put it back together, I want to know that there's a zip tie here. This plug here I'm going to unplug. Get the harness all the way out. This goes to my stator. Negative battery terminal there. Positive battery terminal. Let's see. Okay. I have to get her off. I had to take quite a bit of time to figure all this out, and I didn't want to fumble and mumble too much on camera. Anyways, to get the battery tray slash airbox out, I ended up pulling the shock, because as you try to roll it forward, as you try to roll the airbox forward, it hits the shock. So you got to take the shock off. I did jack up the bike to remove any pressure off the shock. And anyways, I removed this bolt, that one, there's another one around here, these two in the back, there's one here, one here. I was struggling and struggling and struggling, and finally found out that there's another bolt on this side tray here where the stuff is, the toolbox and the flasher relay, a lot of your harness. Anyways, that bolt holds, that bolt will hold this part of the airbox slash battery tray on. And you can just release that, and then the airbox should just slip out. I obviously did have to remove the carburetor. It looks like I might have to remove the tire too to get this out. Maybe not. Nope. There she goes. Okay. So the airbox is out. That's good. Got a lot of stuff to deal with. So here's the side of the battery tray slash airbox that holds all your electronics and stuff. I'm not sure what all this is. I'll have to look it up. But anyways, you can just simply pull these out. They're just held in by rubber tabs. Pull that out. Pull that out. Pull that out. Pull that out. There you go. That's the right side half of the airbox / battery tray. Let me show you the airbox itself. This is the one that was holding me up. This is the side here that was holding me up. There's one bolt right down in there, and that'll allow you to pull the battery tray / airbox out for cleaning or whatever. There it is. You can see there. It's kind of deep down in there. It is helpful if you take off your air filter cover. You don't have to remove these. I started removing all these screws here, but it seems like this part of the airbox is glued on. They got screws on there for whatever reason. I tried prying it apart, not too terribly hard, but if you remove this, it'll give you a little extra room to remove the airbox. So there it is in all its glory. Put that aside in my box of goodies. See that screw there? That's going to be a booger to remove. I have to cut that one off. So the next task is to remove the motor. And to remove the motor, I also have to take out this swing arm. I'll probably have to take the swing arm out first. That's one of the bolts that holds the motor in the back. So that'll have to be addressed. I'm not sure. I do have the motor up on a jack. So just light pressure. Upwards, onwards, forwards, whatever you want to call it. Yep. Do I have this? So yeah, a little progress tonight. It's been nice. I don't have a heated garage. It was 44 degrees today. We had Christmas today, Friday, December 24th. So I didn't get much done, but at least I got this done. Got the wire harness all undone. Just got to chase it up to the headlight, undo all that stuff. The one plug right here, man, this sucker's a booger. This goes to the neutral safety switch. I cannot get that sucker undone. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you're watching, if you aren't watching, you don't know that I'm thanking you. So there you go. Adios. Take care, everybody. Merry Christmas.